We are walk.
We are what? We are walk.
This is the end of the vlog.
No. I gotta get out of the shot, man.
We are running. We are strutting our stuff. We are a ribbon.
Let me suck your titties, baby.
That means like your titties.
They're harder than me.
We are walking.
All right. We are bi.
Bye.
Wait, what? I lie.
Bye.
I lie. We are not bi. Well, that was the end of our trip. It was a very tiring.
Never felt like this before. Like a drug, you got me wanting more. When we played this at ETS, and I was like, your friends talk to my friends, talk to me. On the street.
Peace and love.
Suck my D.